In this video, I will demonstrate attaching a Windows 2016 host to a storage center array with Fibre Channel I/O cards. One of the first prerequisites for attaching a Windows 2016 host is to install MPIO. If using Windows 2012, this step can be skipped as Dell Storage Manager will install it for you. To install MPIO, right-click the Windows icon, click on Programs and Features. Click on Turn Windows Features On or Off. When the wizard opens up, click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Scroll down to Multipath I/O, select it, and click Next. Select the Auto Restart option, then click Yes, and install. Launch the Dell Storage Manager client. Click on Configure this host to access a storage center. Provide the credentials and log into the storage center the host will be connecting to. Review the prerequisites and click Next. The storage center we are connecting to supports both Fibre Channel and iSCSI. The DSM client didn't find any existing Fibre Channel connections to the array, so it's asking if you want to use iSCSI. If we had zoned the host to the array prior to starting this wizard, this screen would not be displayed. Click No. The server has a 2-port Fibre Channel HBA. The wizard will provide you with information on what zones need to be created, but it can't tell what switch the HBA is connected to. Document the HBA's worldwide name, then log into one of the switches. We'll start with fault domain 1. Click Configure, Zone Admin. Scroll down to the port number that the server HBA is plugged into. Our server is connected to port 20 on both switches. Expand out the worldwide name to see the worldwide port name, which is underneath the worldwide node name. If you don't see the same worldwide name that is displayed in DSM, log into the other switch. Highlight the worldwide port name, then click on Create New Alias. Enter a name. Typically, this is a server name. If the server has multiple connections to each switch, you would want to also identify the different HBAs. We only have one connection to each switch. Click OK, then the right arrow to move the worldwide name over. Next, click on the Zone tab. Click New Zone. Enter a name for the zone. It is typically descriptive of what is in the zone. In this case, we use the server name and the array name. Expand out aliases and locate the newly created server alias and the aliases for the virtual ports of the storage center. Highlight all 3 of them, or one at a time, and click on the right arrow. Next, click on Zone Config tab. Expand out zones. Find a newly created zone, highlight it, and click the right arrow. Click on Save Config. Click on Yes. Wait for the changes to be completed, then click on Enable Config. Click OK. Click Yes. After it is completed, you can close the zoning wizard. Open DSM and select the appropriate fault domain. In our case, it was fault domain 1. Click OK. The wizard now displays the other HBA port's worldwide name. Document and open the zoning wizard on the other switch for the other fault domain. Just like the other switch, we create an alias for the HBA, then create a zone, and then add it to the config and enable it. When zoning is complete, we continue with the DSM wizard. We select the appropriate fault domain, click OK. The wizard will show connectivity as not connected. Click on Refresh. The status should change to fully connected. If it doesn't, troubleshoot prior to continuing. Click Next to continue. For Windows Server 2016, if you didn't install MPIO prior to running this wizard, you will see this error. Just cancel out of the wizard and reboot, rerun the wizard, and it will succeed. If MPIO was installed prior to running the wizard, you will see this screen. You can use the Copy to Clipboard feature to document what best practices were applied. Click on Launch Wizard to create a volume for this host, then click Finish. Update the volume name and click Next. Update the capacity and click Next. Make any modifications necessary for the storage options and click Next. Adjust the snapshot profiles for the volume and click Next. Click Next, then Finish. Restart the server. After the server has rebooted, open Disk Management. Locate the new disk, right-click it and bring it online. Right-click again and choose Initialize Disk. Choose the partition style and click OK. Right-click the partition and then New Simple Volume. Click Next, 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 then Finish. The volume can now be accessed.